Hello, if you're a medical doctor, if you love your job, if you love your patients, you're engaged in excellence, I suppose you have a very high level of training. So I want to talk to you about coaching, which is quite a new way of developing our professional skills for doctors. I'm Dr. Amina Kemiche, a specialist in family medicine. I'm a teacher and trainer in family medicine at René Descartes University in Paris, and I'm a coach for doctors. So recently I had a coaching session with a group of doctors, and even though our exchanges were wonderful during the coaching session, after the coaching I asked for feedback, and it was clear that some of them didn't clearly understand the difference between coaching and training. So I decided to make a video so that for our further coaching sessions, you will be doctors will have the possibility to watch this video and know exactly what to expect from coaching, which is completely different from training. So let's now go on presentation mode. Hi, so here we are on a visual presentation on the difference between training and coaching for doctors especially. We are very familiar with training. We receive it in conferences, in seminars, while coaching is a new approach of professional development for doctors. In my research, I found the first publications about coaching for doctors in 2012, and it was in Great Britain. In training, we are familiar with listening to the speaker. It is the speaker who will be talking the most in the training session. While in the coaching session, the coach should be listening more, or is not doing coaching. If he is speaking more than the participants in the coaching, he's doing a training and not a coaching session. So in training, we know that we are going to receive some information, new solutions, and it comes from the outside. While in coaching, we don't receive new information. The coach will ask questions to help us find new solutions from the inside. In fact, the information you receive in the training, you will be more able to implement it when you go through a coaching process, because through the questions you will ask yourselves, you will better understand, more profoundly understand the information you receive in training. I will give you here one very practical example so that we make it more clear. Imagine we have a training on time management, which is a very common problem for doctors. So in training, I receive all the techniques, all the information about time management. I have all these tools. And still, I may have difficulties implementing what I learned. So how will coaching help me? For example, we might discover through the questions, through the process of questions that we ask in coaching, I might discover, for example, that, in my mind, the others are always more important. It is important to help the others much more than to take time for me, for example. How can I work on a project, for example, writing the book, developing a new project? I need to manage my time to realize a personal project. Even if it is professional, it is my project, something I think about, I want to do it. And if my time is managed always by the others, I will never be able to do it. And it's coaching that will help me change the way I'm functioning and really realize the things that I want to do through better time management. I hope it's clear now. So training is usually done in one time. We just receive the information, while coaching is a process. So it takes time, and the time it takes depends on the project. It is always a certain number of sessions that might be 3, 4, 5 days. There's not really a minimum. There's not a maximum. Some coaching the duration of the coaching might be 1 day, 2 days, 1 week. It might be 3 months, it might be 1 year, it might be 18 months. I mean, it depends on the project you have. So information in training is structured. That makes it much easier than coaching because you come with some structured information prepared. You can prepare it really. It's structured around the new skills and the new information that you are supposed to deliver during the training session. In coaching, it's much more difficult. And for me, after 2 years of coaching experience, it's still difficult to start a coaching session because I feel like I'm wrong. I still feel like, hey, there's something wrong. I didn't prepare anything to deliver. In fact, I know very well that I have nothing to deliver, that I should not be delivering information, but I still feel, not at ease. And in fact, it's not structured because it's centered on the participants' needs. The participants in the coaching session will come with their issues, the issues they have today, and we are going to work on it to resolve it. And it's very important that the participants find the solution by themselves because they have the solutions inside themselves. They have the keys. We are there as a coach only to help to find these keys and to find the solutions. But if a coach is giving you the solutions, he's not doing coaching. So I can say in conclusion that training will improve your knowledge and your skills. And coaching is centered on improving behavior and ultimately performance. So it is complementary. I mean, you cannot do coaching only without training. You need information. And if you do only training, you're not at your potential. You're not at your full potential if you only do training. So coaching is for the people who are the most ambitious, who really seek excellence, who have the courage to question their limiting beliefs, their mental blocks, and to go further it. So in training, we receive new skills, and coaching helps us using these new skills to the maximum of our potential. Well, I hope it is now clear for you what is coaching, what you can expect, and how it can help you. And I expect to see you very soon on a coaching session. It will be my pleasure to help you attain excellence in your work. Thank you very much. See you soon.